In this module, we'll talk about how to find books, and you'll start finding resources on your topic from Module 2. In Lesson 1, we'll talk about what a library catalog is, what you'll find in the catalog, and what you won't find in the catalog. In Lesson 2, we'll talk about how to find books when you know the title or the author, or how to find books on a particular topic, and how to obtain the item once you know the call number. In Lesson 3, we'll explain the various parts of a catalog record, which you'll need to know about in order to find the books. And finally, in Lesson 4, we'll talk about how to cite books in APA and in MLA format, and how to evaluate the quality of the books that you find. So what's a library catalog anyway? Library catalogs list items owned by a particular library or its branches. Most libraries have a link to their library catalog from their home pages. A link to the Stewart Library Catalog can be found on the Stewart Library homepage, and this connects you to everything owned by the Stewart Library, which is located on the main campus in Ogden, and the Davis Campus Library, which is located on Weber State's Layton campus. The library catalog includes all kinds of items, not just books, and the catalog lists these items and shows where they are located. Plus, it'll tell you if an item is available or checked out. And if it's checked out, you can also use the catalog to put a hold on the item for when it is returned. Searching the catalog is very different from searching the web. Library catalogs can give you access to materials that have been selected by librarians for a particular library's collection, and they'll also provide information about the physical items the library has, like books and CDs and maps and videos, and on electronic resources that you can view on the computer, like ebooks. Now that you know what items you can find in a library catalog, you should also know what the library catalog does not contain. While you can use the catalog to see which magazines, newspapers, and journals the library owns, the catalog will not provide records for the articles from these magazines, newspapers, and journals. When you look up a periodical title, the catalog will tell you which issues of that periodical the library owns and where to find those issues. Here's an example. This is the catalog record for the Journal of Abnormal Psychology. As you can see here, we have copies of this journal from 1965 to present in our periodicals collection. This record includes the location of the issues that the library owns in print, and the issues we own in microfilm. If you wanted to find articles from this journal, you would need to use a special resource called an article database, and you'll learn about this tool in the next module. Now that you've learned about the useful items that can be found in the catalog, you're ready to search the catalog and find these items. And in Lesson 2, we'll talk about the various types of searches you can use in the Stewart Library Catalog.